Welcome back to Auto Legends, the channel where we bring you the most iconic machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into the epitome of road luxury, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach. This isn't just a motor coach. It's a statement of opulence, engineering mastery, and sheer automotive prestige. Let's start with the exterior of the 2026 Liberty Coach. Right off the bat, it commands attention with its imposing presence. Built on the latest Prevost H3-45 chassis, the tallest and most spacious in the industry, the silhouette is unmistakably bold. The updated design for 2026 brings in sleeker lines, a more aerodynamic roofline, and a revamped front fascia. The LED lighting system wraps around the coach, giving it a modern, almost futuristic look. Liberty Coach has gone the extra mile by customizing the body with a flawless, multi-layer paint finish that's hand-applied and cured to perfection. Each coach gets a unique paint scheme, often inspired by high-end automotive and yacht designs. The new integrated awning system is seamlessly tucked into the roofline, automatically extending with the touch of a button. Frameless, dual-pane panoramic windows run the length of the coach, providing a sharp look from the outside and a flood of natural light inside. Details like the stainless steel accents, polished trim, and the precision machined wheel wells reflect the craftsmanship Liberty Coach is known for. Add in the high polish aluminum Alcoa wheels, and you've got a rolling piece of art. Moving briefly inside, the 2026 Liberty Coach interior remains unmatched. It's not just a living space, it's a luxury apartment on wheels. The cabin showcases premium Italian leather, custom cabinetry in exotic woods, hand-tufted carpeting, and ultra-modern LED ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Each floor plan is unique, tailored for the buyer, but all come equipped with a king-size bed, dual vanities in the bathroom, a full residential kitchen, and state-of-the-art smart home controls. Every function, from climate to lighting to entertainment, is accessible through a central touchscreen or a mobile app. And of course, no Liberty Coach would be complete without the signature heated floors, custom-built recliners, and hidden entertainment centers. But luxury aside, how does it perform? That's where the Prevost engineering comes into play. The 2026 model is powered by a Volvo D13 engine, producing 500 horsepower and over 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired with a 12-speed automated manual transmission that provides seamless shifting and impressive fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The ride quality is elevated, thanks to the Prevost exclusive electronically controlled air suspension system, which adapts in real time to road conditions, minimizing body roll and providing a whisper-quiet glide down the highway. Maneuvering. This 45-foot Titan might sound intimidating, but Prevost's enhanced driver assistance features for 2026 make it remarkably approachable. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, a full 360-degree camera system, and even an optional heads-up display. It handles better than you'd expect, with tight steering response and a turning radius. That's surprisingly manageable. Storage is another strong suit. The bay capacity underneath rivals some commercial trucks. Everything is cleanly organized, with hydraulic slides, automatic lighting, and even temperature-controlled compartments. You can easily bring your entire lifestyle on the road without compromise. The 2026 Liberty Coach isn't just transportation, it's a destination in itself. It's built for those who don't just want to travel, but want to experience the road in unparalleled comfort and confidence. From its striking exterior to its elite interior and robust performance, it's the ultimate expression of automotive luxury. That wraps up our review today. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Liberty Coach, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because here at Auto Legends, the road is only the beginning.